In Queensland, agriculture is more than just an industry. It's a vital part of our economy, feeding communities locally and globally. To secure its future, we need to inspire the next generation to contribute to feeding and clothing the world. The Agribusiness Gateway to Industry Schools project is a partnership between CQUniversity, AgForce Queensland School to Industry Partnership Program, AgriFutures Australia and the Queensland Agricultural Teachers Association. The program is funded by the Queensland Government's Department of Trade, Employment and Training. Through this initiative, we're connecting schools with Queensland's vibrant agricultural industry, offering students the opportunity to explore rewarding careers in agriculture and agribusiness. The program will work with schools across the state, offering 2 key engagement streams. 15 schools will be chosen to become gateway schools, working closely with industry to integrate agriculture into the curriculum with support from CQU. The second stream offers teachers the chance to participate in professional development, gaining new insights and teaching tools to bring the science and technology of agriculture into the classroom. At CQUniversity, our Agri-tech education and extension team is dedicated to empowering students and teachers alike with the skills and knowledge needed to succeed in Agri-tech and beyond. Together with our partners, we're helping shape the future of agriculture in Queensland and beyond. Apply now and unlock exciting opportunities in Queensland's thriving agriculture industry. Visit www.agribusinessgateway.com.au to learn more. This is your gateway to a future in agriculture.